everyone, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can change the user account name in your Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices, whether it's a laptop or a PC. Okay, so let's get into it. And the first thing we need to do is to go to the control panel options, and we can do that by simply making a search here in the search bar, control panel. And once the control panel option is out on the under best match, then please do make a click on it. So when you're in here and you see that the view by options is not in small icons, then you can choose the option here just by clicking this drop down button, and then just click on the small icons option. And here all we need to do is to look for the user accounts option. And once found, just please make a click on it. And in here we have we can make changes to your user account. So as we said, we want to change the name, so we can do so by clicking on this manage another account. And if you want, for example, to change the name of the administrator, you can do so by clicking on it, and then you can make changes to administrator account. So manage another, change or create the password. We will not create the password, so let us go back first. Cancel. Manage another account. Okay, so let's go with this administrator. So in here, we can change the account name. And if you want to have a new account name in this user account, then you can do so by typing the name in this section. And then when you're done typing, you can go on and proceed with clicking this change name option. Okay, so also if you want to change the account type of such user account, you can do so by clicking on this change the account type options. And instead of standard, you can make it into administrator, and instead of administrator, you can also make it into standard. And once you're fine with your settings, you can now change account type. You can now click on the change account type options, and also you can change the password if you want. So just click on this button, and then you can enter the new password, confirm the new password, and then you can also type a password hint. Okay, and if you want to delete this account, you can also do that by clicking on this delete button here. Okay, so I hope you follow the process accordingly, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye bye.